Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Wonder of Fate's leather boots in Crimson Desert. Now currently right now on my map, I'm pretty much right to the northwest of Horseshoe Lake. If I zoom out a little bit, you can find me over to the east of Demonis right here. Just try to find this little port right here, over right next to the Demonis Armory. The location that we're going towards will be right here to the Horseshoe Lake Perch. As you can see right there, there's going to be this destroyed bridge, and the location that we're going to is that house right on the other side. Alright, now once you've made your way over to the side of the house, go over here to the left, and you'll be able to find your way under the house right here, and just right over to this wall of wood, make sure to use your force palm to break it down. And you'll be able to find the treasure chest right here. Just hold down E to open it. And congratulations, you just got the Wonder of Fate leather boots along with a Palmar pill. Now here it is, it has an attack of 15, a defense of 4, a good critical rate of level 2, 1 movement speed, and also at level 3 on refinement, an innate lightning resistance along with an abyss gear that adds even more lightning resistance and movement speed. And this is how the boots would look like on Damien. And that's pretty much about it on how to find the Wonders of Fate boots in Crimson Desert.